Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I appreciate you checking in, and you new viewers, you should become subscribers. Tonight we're kind of being Mr. B drinks, or mixes the drinks. We're going to make a straight up rocks margarita. So, jumping right into it, you need some tequila. You need a shaker with some ice in it. This is 3 ounces of tequila, use your favorite brand. This is simple syrup. If you don't know what simple syrup is, it's a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water over low temperature until the sugar dissolves. There's about 2 ounces there. Oh, I'm sorry. That was the lime juice, 2 ounces. This is simple syrup, 2 ounces. And that was basically the juice of 2 limes. It's about 2 ounces. And then last but not least, you need an orange liqueur. That could be triple sec, or in this case, Cointreau. Just under 1 ounce. Half an ounce to 1 ounce. Put the lid on. And you can see that it's clean right now. You can tell it's done. It'll take about 30 seconds, but you'll start to see it frost. So let that sit, and you can see it's starting to frost up. Got a glass here. And I'm just going to take this little lime. This is called rimming the glass. And then I have some salt. I'm just gonna get a little bit of salt on the rim. Now, if you want it on the rocks, you can. This is an up glass, but I will show you the difference. Up glass, you would just pour it straight in, but if you like a little ice in there, I've got some crushed ice right there. And then we just pour it straight in. I could have slid down there. And there you go. Nice and easy. That's a margarita on the rocks. You can serve it in a tall glass like that, which is called up, or you can serve it in a rocks glass. You know the drill. Give this a try. Let me know what alterations you make. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like. Comments down below. Don't drink too many.